This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Open the bonnet slightly, then lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Fully apply the handbrake. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the front subframe rear mounting. The engine undertray is secured by various bolts around its circumference. Undo the bolts and withdraw the undertray from beneath the vehicle. Position a suitable container beneath the engine sump. Using a suitable socket, unscrew the oil filter cover, then remove it along with the filter element. Wipe clean the inside of the filter housing. Pull the old filter element from the cover and remove the O-ring seal. Wipe clean the filter cover. Unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the old oil to drain into the container. Remove the oil sealing washer from the drain plug. Wipe clean the drain plug and install a new sealing washer. Clean the sump around the drain hole, then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Locate the new sealing ring into the groove in the cover and lubricate it with clean engine oil. Locate the new filter element into the cover, then maneuver it into place in the filter housing. Tighten the filter cover to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Maneuver the undertray into place, hooking its rear edge over the subframe. Refit the retaining bolts around the circumference of the undertray and tighten them securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Pull out the engine oil level dipstick and unscrew the oil filler cap. Using a funnel to minimize spillage, add the correct grade of oil to the engine. Pour in approximately 3 litres of oil, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run into the sump. Continue adding oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately 1 litre will raise the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. When the oil level is correct, fully insert the dipstick and refit the oil filler cap. Start the engine. The oil pressure warning light will take a few seconds to go out while the new filter fills with oil. Do not race the engine while the light is on. Run the engine for a few minutes while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the drain plug. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter now completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary. Close the bonnet firmly and check it secure.